kind of self-obsessiveness is not limited to morality. We're not only self-indulgent about our moral character. The example of love really helps to draw this out. It's one thing to make a sacrifice or do something for a loved one because of who they are themselves, because it's my wife. And it is quite a different thing to make the very same choice because we want to maintain an image of ourselves as a person who will make such sacrifices in the name of love. We want to think of ourselves as this hopeless romantic. That's different from actually being a hopeless romantic. Like in the case of generosity, the outcome is perhaps acceptable here, but we're still left with the feeling that the decision maker is still far too self-obsessed to be doing anything commendable. And now what's important here is that Williams is going to take this to be a lesson about the nature of deliberation in general. It's not uncommon for philosophers to imagine that, acting in a loving way or acting in a generous way involves love or generosity figuring explicitly into some person's thought process about what to do. Donating to charity would help these children. A generous person would donate to charity. I want to be a generous person, so I'm going to donate. That's maybe what we might call a conventional philosophical thought process about how a generous person thinks, but now we're sort of in the position to see that it's clearly self-indulgent in precisely the objectionable way that we've been discussing.